Yeah, well, I've been here in northeast Tasmania now for 2 days. Come over from the UK, direct straight into Launceston, and been out with Craig. Had a really great time seeing the wildlife. I'm a wildlife specialist, so it's just been terrific insight into what Tasmania's got to offer, and I'm looking forward to travelling on now too.
Now, what's the name of this tour company of yours?
Wildlife and Wilderness.
Wildlife and Wilderness.
Yeah.
Got a few cockatoos in the background there.
Yeah, look at them all up there.
They're flying around. Just get that big lengthy camera out.
That's it. On film.
Thanks, Dave.
Cheers, Craig.
Have a
Thanks
good
for
ride
great
in northeast Tasmania.
Goodbye.